Now this is a ring resonator. It has got microstrip lines which are running very close to a circular structure but not exactly touching it. So the circular structure is resonating at a frequency of around 1500 megahertz, and small amount of energy is being coupled in and out of this resonant coupler. We have designed this coupler to resonate at about 1500 megahertz. As you can see that 1480 megahertz is the frequency at which the insertion loss between ports 1 and 2 is minimal. The reading is about minus 54 dBm. The reference was minus 40 dBm. So about 14 dB is the insertion loss between this microwave resonator. We use this microwave resonator to find out the dielectric properties of the substrate being used. The resonator resonates when the circumference is equal to a multiple of the guide wavelength. In this case, it is resonating when the circumference is equal to the guide wavelength. We can find out the circumference by taking the mean of the inside and outside radius of this resonator, and we can find out the guide wavelength when we have the resonant frequency when the insertion loss is the minimal. We use a software utility as is being described in the manual called AppCAD, and from there we can find out that the dielectric constant of this substrate being used is very close to what is being found out experimentally, and the results are in closed unison. We can find out the port VSWR of this microwave resonator by using the directional coupler. We will try and measure the port VSWR of port number 1. The unterminated port we will terminate into a 50 ohms load. We are trying to measure the S11 in this case. We will connect the receiver at the coupled port input here. We will connect the source at the output port of the coupler, and we will connect the test port to the device port S11. And of course we need to connect a 50 ohms at the isolated port here. Now you can see at the resonant frequency this coupler is absorbing some power, which is why the return loss is pretty high. It's minus 58 dBm right now. So the return loss is about minus 18 dB because the reference power was minus 40 dBm. Hence the VSWR is close to 1 for this resonator at the resonant frequency. We can find out the port VSWR at different frequencies by changing the source and the receiver frequencies, and we can find that it is a very high VSWR at the other frequencies.